Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix iPhone error. The last backup could not be completed. After finding that the last iCloud backup was made a few months or years ago, you want to do a manual iCloud backup to safeguard new data and files. Then, you go to iCloud via the Settings app and tap Backup Now option. It calculates how long the backup process is remaining and shows a backing up message. Everything works fine until an error message pops up saying the last backup could not be completed on the iPhone. Sometimes this alert comes up with the causes like because iCloud contains a backup from a newer iOS version or because of poor network conditions. If you're experiencing the same issue, just calm down, as you're not alone. Many iPhone users are reporting that iPhone iCloud says the last backup could not be completed. And we're trying to figure out the reasons and explore feasible ways to solve the issues. Finally, we found the answers, including the tried and tested solutions of how to fix the last backup could not be completed on iPhone. Just walk through this video to learn the details. Why is your iPhone saying the last backup could not be completed? When you try to back up an iPhone using iCloud but keep getting this error messages, it can be due to the following factors. iCloud backup is disabled. The cellular or Wi-Fi internet connection is unstable. The device battery power is low. Insufficient storage on iCloud or on your iPhone. Previous backup files in iCloud are corrupted. Something goes wrong with the Apple ID account. iCloud's system server is down. Now, go through some workable solutions of how to fix the last backup could not be completed error on iPhone. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Work your way down until iCloud backups are running normally on your device again. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Disable iCloud backup, then enable it. When an iPhone stops backing up to iCloud and shows the last backup could not be completed message, it's likely that the process is corrupted. To refresh the configuration, simply turn off iCloud backup feature and then re-enable it to initiate the backup again. Here's how to do that. Open the Settings app, tap your device name at the top, choose iCloud. Tap on iCloud Backup. Locate the Backup This iPhone toggle and tap it to turn it off. A few seconds later, tap it again to turn it back on. Wait for a while to see if you manage to get the iOS device to back up successfully. Inspect the Wi-Fi connection and battery power. Generally, an iCloud backup will only be done when an iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or plugged into a power. If iPhone shows the last backup could not be completed because of poor network conditions, see if the Wi-Fi network is working well with strong signals, or switch to another one for testing. If you use cellular data, make sure you've enabled this option for iCloud backup and your mobile data plan has enough data allowance. Once done, plug your iPhone into a charger, then see if it regains the ability to create an iCloud backup either automatically or manually. Simply restart your iPhone. iCloud could not complete backup on your iPhone if the device itself encounters a glitch. In such a case, a restart sometimes can work wonders. Depending on your iPhone models, the button press combinations to do a reboot differ. On an iPhone 10 or newer, press and hold the volume up or down button and the power button. On an iPhone 8 or older, press and hold the power button. When you see the power off slider, move it to the right. Your device will be switched off soon. After around 30 seconds, long press the power button until an Apple logo pops up. Remember to tap Backup Now again and iCloud backups should work seamlessly. Confirm ample storage on iCloud. Each iPhone user only gets 5 GB of free iCloud storage. If you don't have enough iCloud storage to hold the new iCloud backup, the process could not be completed. To take a look, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your device name, choose iCloud. On the next screen, you'll find a bar chart at the top displaying your iCloud storage usage and the remaining available space. If the free iCloud storage is almost full, it'll cause the iPhone error, the last backup could not be completed. To resolve this issue, consider offloading unnecessary items to free up cloud storage. If you have a sufficient budget, just upgrade to iCloud Plus for more space. Once done, go to iCloud through the Settings app and tap Backup This iPhone again to start the backup process. It should now increase the success rate of iCloud backups. Delete old iCloud backups. If iPhone still shows the iCloud backup could not be completed after sparing iCloud storage, try removing the outdated or useless backups. To do that, navigate to the Settings app. Tap the name of your iPhone. Choose iCloud. Select iCloud Backup. You will see the devices that have iCloud Backup enabled. Find the old backups for your current device or any unused older phones. To remove the backup, tap the device name. Select Turn Off and Delete from iCloud. After the deletion is completed, return and tap Back up this iPhone again to see if the last successful backup date is updated to just now. Ensure your iPhone has sufficient space. It's also important to make sure your iPhone has enough memory space to execute the command for backing up iPhone to iCloud. To check how much space is available on your iPhone, open the Settings app. Hit General. Tap on iPhone Storage. The next screen will show you how much storage you have left on your iPhone. It's advised to give yourself at least 3 GB of free space. If you're below that, try removing data and files you no longer need to make room for running iCloud backup on your iPhone. Log out of iCloud, then log back in. Sometimes, it's likely an account issue when iCloud's last backup in an iPhone is incomplete. To refresh the account, just sign out first, then sign back in. Here's how to do that. Open the Settings app. Tap your device name at the top of the screen. In the next screen, scroll down to the bottom and tap the Sign Out button. If the Find My option is enabled, it'll ask you to enter Apple ID password to turn it off first. Choose Sign Out but don't erase. Check the on-screen instructions to understand what data will be kept on your device and what will be erased. Then, enter the lock screen passcode. Tap Confirm and sign out. Wait for a few seconds. Tap Apple Account at the top. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. If you receive a prompt, enter the 6-digit verification code that was sent to your trusted device or phone number to continue. Once signed in, try backing up your iPhone to iCloud again to see if this step gets your backups working again. Install the latest iOS on your iPhone. Do you see the error "The last backup could not be completed because iCloud contains a backup from a newer iOS version"? Then, obviously the troubleshooting step is to upgrade the phone's operating system. Here's how to do that. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Next, choose Software Update. If it shows you a new software version to upgrade, just tap Download and install and complete the following on-screen instructions to trigger the update process. This might take a while to finish, so please wait patiently. After the update is done, let your phone boot up and check if the iCloud backup not completed issues are fixed. Verify the server status for iCloud. Open any browser you frequently use. Copy the Apple System Status page link in the description below and visit. Then, locate iCloud Backup. If there is a green available message next to it, then it means the iCloud Backup service is operating normally. If this service is listed with a yellow triangle icon, then it means the iCloud service is down and you'll need to wait for the company to repair it. Book a Genius Bar appointment for service. If iPhone backup still couldn't be completed in iCloud, turn to the phone company. You can call for customer service online to talk about the iCloud backup errors. If you prefer to reach out to Apple support for assistance in person, schedule an appointment and take your phone into the nearby Apple authorized service provider to have your iPhone diagnosed. And there you have it, folks. Hope the solutions in this video help fix the last backup could not be completed on iPhone. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.